Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to find tagged posts on your Instagram. In this video, you'll see about the tagged posts of your account and also of the other accounts. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Just go to your Instagram app that has been pre-installed on your device. After opening the app, make sure that your account has been logged in already. After that, click on the profile picture icon that is at the bottom right of this page. After clicking on at that icon, you will go to your profile page. From this page, you can slide one time from left to right, and with another slide, this section will show you all the photos and videos that people will tag you in. So from this section, you can easily see the photos and videos when people tag you. Now, to check who is tagged in whose profile, to check the same in others' profile, what you do is just go to any of the accounts. For example, let's get into this account. As you scroll down, just go to this tagging section again. As it loads, you can see all these pictures, videos, and reels that this page has been tagged in. So from this page, you can directly tell people who tagged the specific page on their accounts. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new video for you. Thank you.